DaVinci Tech was given the opportunity to assist a major sports and entertainment powerhouse with a search for a leader in web technologies. A large-scale website project necessitated a proven leader who would evaluate complex business requirements while satisfying client requests. An active and vigorous search identified a highly qualified and creative IT executive who was enhancing the league's website as well as the client's growing global brand. The match is strategic to the continual development of its international web experience and social media connectedness, now reaching fans in 215 countries, speaking 47 different languages. The winning candidate launched a new statistical site and interfaces regularly with the league's franchise operations. He recently remarked to me about how his management team entrusted him with even more responsibility than originally anticipated during the search process. He is embracing the challenge. He's an A player.